Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at things you should never do in an automatic transmission vehicle. Driving an automatic car is generally easier than driving a manual, but there are still some important never to do rules to follow to avoid damaging your vehicle or putting yourself in danger. Let's have a look at some of the things that you should never do in an automatic transmission car. 1. Never shift gears without coming to a complete stop. Shifting into park or reverse, changing direction while the car is still moving can damage the transmission. So, whenever you are planning to change direction of travel, either from forward motion to reverse or from reverse to forward, always make sure that the vehicle is brought to a complete stop. 2. Never use neutral while driving. There are people, who put gear in neutral while driving, assuming it will save fuel. But coasting in neutral can reduce your control over the vehicle and increase the risk of accidents. Also, it doesn't save fuel in modern vehicles. So don't put your transmission in neutral while driving. 3. Never rest your hand on the gear shift. Keeping your hand on the gear shift can cause unnecessary wear on the transmission components over time. So, avoid putting your hand on the gear shift lever. 4. Never ignore the parking brake. Always engage the parking brake when parking, especially if you are parking your vehicle on inclines. Make sure that you have applied the parking brake. Relying solely on the park gear of the transmission can strain the transmission. So always make sure that you pull the handbrake. So never ignore the parking brake. 5. Never shift into park before stopping completely. Shifting into park before the car has fully stopped can damage the parking pole. The parking pole is a small mechanism that locks the transmission and prevents the vehicle from rolling. So, in order for the parking pole to engage smoothly, the vehicle has to be brought to a complete stop. Otherwise, if you are trying to force it into mesh while the transmission is still rotating, it will snap the parking pole. So always make sure that the vehicle has completely stopped and the parking brake is applied before shifting into the park gear. So never shift into park before stopping completely and before applying the parking brake. 6. Never floor the accelerator from a stop. Sudden acceleration can cause excessive wear on the transmission and drivetrain. So, never floor an automatic transmission vehicle. 7. Never drive in D on extremely inclined roads on steep downhill roads. Rather, use lower gears like L, 2 or 1, or you could prefer to use manual mode if it is available on your vehicle. This will help you control speed and avoid overheating of the brakes. 8. Never ignore transmission fluid change. Low or dirty transmission fluid can lead to transmission failure. So, always check and replace transmission fluid as recommended in your owner's manual. 9. Never shift gears without pressing the brake pedal. Always press the brake pedal when shifting from park into drive or into reverse. This will prevent sudden vehicle movement. So always make sure that you apply the service brake. Brake pedal has to be depressed before starting your vehicle into motion. 10. Never use both feet when driving. Using one foot for the brake and the other foot for accelerator pedal can lead to accidental simultaneous pressing, causing wear and potential accidents. So never use both feet. Always use the right feet for both brake and accelerator pedal operation. 11. Never overload the vehicle. Exceeding the car's weight limit can strain the transmission. It can strain the suspension system. It can lead to long-term damage. So don't overload your automatic car. 12. Never ignore strange noises or vibrations. If you happen to find there is unusual sound or unusual vibration, that could indicate transmission or engine issue. So address them immediately. don't ignore strange noise and vibration. 13. Never skip regular maintenance. Automatic transmissions require regular servicing, so always follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. 14. Never use the wrong transmission fluid. Using incorrect or low quality transmission, so make sure that you're always using the correct type which is specified in your owner's manual for your automatic transmission. 15. Never tow the vehicle in neutral. If you plan towing an automatic car, if you put it in neutral without proper precaution, that can damage the transmission. So instead, use a flatbed tow truck or some form of carrying the vehicle instead of rolling it if towing is necessary. 16. Never ignore the check engine light. If the check engine light is illuminated on your dashboard, that could indicate transmission or engine issues, so have it checked out immediately. Ignoring a check engine light could lead to costly repair down the line. 17. Never race a cold engine. Allow the engine and the transmission to warm up before driving aggressively. If you are especially driving in extremely cold weather, this is very crucial, so never race a cold engine. 18. Never use the wrong gear for the situation. For example, avoid using the drive D for towing, especially on steep inclines. Rather, use lower gears. You could use gears like 1, 2, or L whenever you are towing, and if it is equipped with a tow mode, then you can set it on tow mode if available. So never use the wrong gear for that particular situation. People tend to rely entirely on D drive for forward towing, for forward travel. That is not the case. If you are towing heavy things, you should be using lower gear. And finally, 90. Never ignore the owner manual's instruction. Every car is different. Always refer to the owner manual for specific instructions and recommendations. So, dear viewers, by avoiding these mistakes, you can extend the life of your automatic transmission and ensure safer, smoother driving experience. Well, that is all we have for you in this video. Dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video. If you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.